Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix application error with event ID 100 in Event Viewer. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the application error with event ID 100 on your Event Viewer, then I will show you how to fix this issue. In this, what you have to do, you have to just open your command prompt. For that you have to just type cmd on your search menu, then right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator. After that, here you need to type two commands one by one. First command is sfc space / scan now. After typing this, just hit enter. It will take some time, around 15 to 20 minutes. After that, you have to type the second command, which is dism space / online space / cleanup -image space / restore health. After typing this, just hit enter. After completion of this process, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix application error with event ID 1000 in Event Viewer. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.